Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change your user account name in Windows 11. First, go to the search icon and type in Control Panel. Select, go to User Accounts, User Accounts again. We're going to change this name of this user account. So go to change account name, change your account name. I'm going to change it to TR, the initials of my channel, but you can change it to whatever you like. Change name. Over here, you can see it's been changed. However, when you go to the start button, you see user. So for this to change, we're going to have to log out. We're going to have to sign out. Now you can see the user account name has changed to TR. And now I'm going to sign back in. Back in Windows, go to the start button. Now you can see the user account name is changed to TR. That's how you change the user account name in Windows 11. Like, subscribe, and take care.